So meditation helps us to connect to our true state. We always need to connect to that higher states of consciousness. Otherwise, we tend to be trapped with this lower mind, which will always make us to just again and again and again get back into those old patterns. So once a seeker wanted to find answers. He had so many questions. So he went to so many masters, but he couldn't really find the right answers. So one day, somebody told him that there is a huge mountain there, and on the top of that mountain lives a great enlightened master. So if you can go to that master, I think you can find all your answers. So then this fellow said, okay, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to do anything because I just need the answers for my questions. So then this friend said, but that there are two conditions. Only if you can fulfill these conditions, you can reach there and you can meet the master. The first condition is you have to just go all alone. It's a difficult trek. It's very difficult to reach to the top of the mountain. But you have to do it all alone. You can't take anybody there. He said, okay, I'm ready to do this. And the second condition is, the minute you reach there, to the top of the mountain, the minute you meet the master, you can ask only one question. He said, okay, that's also not difficult. I'll do this. So then with a lot of difficulty, he climbed the mountain. He reached to the top of the mountain. And the minute he reached the top of the mountain, he met the master, and he was shocked to see the master there. Can you guess why he was shocked? Okay, I'll tell you.
Okay.
What happened is, he was expecting an old man with white beard, but the master he met was a young, beautiful lady.
Just like Dr. Lakshmi.
Thank you. So then he immediately forgot everything about his search, everything about the spirituality, and he asked this question, my dear young lady, are you single or are you married? With that, he lost everything, all his journey, all his sadhana, all his efforts. So friends, in the same way, we have to just move beyond this lower mind and connect to that higher mind so that we are always aligned to our consciousness and we are always aligned to our purpose of life. Thank you, friends.
So friends, this theme of meditation beyond time and space, Dr. Lakshmi beautifully said about our true nature, because the seeker wants to find out about the real nature of the self. So the real true nature is beyond time, space, where we can really understand our true nature of our consciousness, which is beyond time, space. We have come into this time, space, into this three-dimensional plane, into this physical body. But the truth is that we are much bigger than this body, much bigger than the mind, much bigger than our emotions. We are beyond time-space beings. That's the whole today, the theme for meditation, to really open ourselves to have the direct experience of this beyond time space. When we talk about the theory, there is an interest that is generated in us to also have an experience. Theory followed by experience. After you come to know about jalebi, all the lectures and talking about jalebi and halwa and all those things. So everyone is now ready to experience what is this taste of jalebi. So friends, let us now go into this beautiful meditation So, all of us, before we begin, you can turn to your friend and tell to your friend that you are not your body. You are much more than the body. And the second statement you're going to say is, you are not your mind. You are much more than your mind. You're going to say the third statement, you are not your emotions. You are much more than those emotions. And the fourth statement you're going to say is, you are beyond time, space, being. Four statements, okay? One you can say to the friend. First, one can say, body, mind, emotions, and you say beyond time, space. That's wonderful, friends. That's really very good. So, sitting in a comfortable posture, and this morning will be really very alert not to go into yoga nidra or sleep, sleep meditation, but instead we'll go into a very conscious journey into our own depths of a being to explore our true self. So, friends, please close your eyes. Whenever you are ready, you can take out your spectacles, keep them on the side, and keep your mobile phones on the silent mode. And closing your eyes, and we'll have the music on. Just be here and now. Pay attention to your body, sensations in the body. Pay attention to the normal, natural breathing that's happening right now. No need to hurry, no need to rush. No need to reach anywhere. No need to expect anything. Just be. Be here and now. This background music will be assisting all of us during this meditation. You can be focused on your inner journey. Inwarding all the senses of you. Just bring your attention, focus to your normal, natural breathing. It is such a fresh morning inside this beautiful pyramid. Let us focus going within. Let go if there is any kind of stress or tensions that are stored in your body, loosening up, relaxing each and every body part, each and every muscle of your body. Allow yourself to witness and watch your breath and the body sensations. Keep on noticing. Just be for another few moments undistracted. Focused on this inner journey. As the breath slows down, thoughts in the mind also, they start slowing down. Allow yourself to experience the silence, the gaps between the thoughts, where your mind is becoming empty and still. Just like a bamboo flute, just like an empty pond, a pond without ripples, an empty bowl. Stay in touch with your in-breath and out-breath. Meditation is letting go. Meditation is a deep letting go. Let go of whatever that is stored in you, which is preventing you to experience your true nature. Be in this being state. Just be still. as you go on witnessing your breath and the body, you know that you are that witnessing consciousness. You are that watcher in you who is watching. You are not this body. You are much more than this body. At this point of time, allow yourself to expand your awareness to beyond the body. Just notice the adjacent space which is touching your skin. Expand your awareness into that space. You are not thoughts in your mind. You're not your mind. You are much more than thoughts and this mind. Expand your awareness at this point of time to watch the mind to go beyond mind. Witness whatever is happening. Uninhibited, unrestricted. Allow yourself to connect to this expansive awareness and consciousness which is going beyond body and mind. You are not who you think you are. You are that which is beyond body and mind, beyond time and space. Stepping out now of these limitations of time, space, body, mind, allow yourself to experience your true self, your real nature. Unlimited state of being, unbounded. Be a watcher, witnesser, watching this experience. reach to the deeper place within you, where there is no time and no space. There is only pure awareness, vast, expansive awareness. Just be. Drop the mind. Trust the inner experience which is unfolding. This state of being beyond time space, whatever deeper realizations, insights that are given to you, notice them. Allow those insights to come into your awareness field, to recognize who you truly are. This beyond time space experience give you deeper insights about life challenges, the illusions that you go through, in the linear time, space, the 3D plane. Just be. Your soul is multi-dimensional. Your soul is beyond time, space. Just be. All the solutions are there in the soul. Your soul is omniscient, omnipotent, omnicognizant. Reaching to the last stage of this meditation, where you dive into this experience of what it truly means to be in this beyond time space. What it truly means to have this deep experience of who you really are. Allow yourself to be with that inner experience. The soul is all knowing self. At this moment, the all knowing self is beyond time space, can bring you deeper insights which can set you free from certain limitations. Is beyond time, space. Know that you are God. Know that you are the master of your own self. Know that you are beyond conditions. You are unconditional. At this moment, it's the time to start slowly coming back into this time space sequence, bringing back all that insights, your inner experience of the abstract, formless, beyond time space. Start slowly, slowly coming back. Pay attention to your breath of life. Pay attention to your body, the sensations in the body. Fully embodied being here and now at the same time, connected to that beyond time space reality. Last 2 minutes. What can you bring back as profound realization and insight to this waking state, dwelling in the two worlds at the same time. This time space, three-dimensional reality, at the same time, beyond time space, vast, expansive consciousness. Last 1 minute. Integrate this experience bringing back any kind of message that you receive from your own inner being. 30 seconds. Seconds. Coming back fully into this moment, into this body, which is made of 5 elements of nature, into your 5 sensory perceptual world. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, my dear friends, whenever you are ready, placing your hands on your eyes, touching your eyelids with your fingertips for few seconds. You may slowly open your eyes whenever you are ready. That's wonderful, friends. Welcome you back into this time-space sequence. That's wonderful. Let us clap ourselves and meditation for meditation claps.